In ancient Greek mythology, there lived one of the most feared beasts in the cosmos, responsible for the highest task any immortal could be given: to protect the living from the dead. Cerberus, the three-headed hound and gatekeeper to the underworld. Powered by a 740 horsepower Hellcat engine, and anointed with 3 Baja Designs LP6 lights, our Ram 1500 TRX proudly carries the name of Cerberus.
Ow! That was a terrible idea. This is Cerberus behind me. It's a Ram 1500 TRX that you could win. We thought we would do a motif. Am I on fire? But I have no idea what I'm doing. But you can win this TRX at Forged4x4.com. Got a cold air intake, exhaust pushing over 740 horsepower. It is ridiculous. It's got 3 awesome LP6 lights by Baja Designs. Cerberus had 3 heads. Get it? Get your entries to win at Forged4x4.com and do it before I burn something down. I'll be back.